you can be gorgeous at 30, charming at 40, and irresistible for the rest of your life. Hey everyone, welcome back again to the Style of Success. I am Kelly and we are all about beautifying our bodies and our minds. So this is the right channel for you if you are all about style and success. In this video, we're going to be talking about how women over 30 can elevate their style using hair perfumes. So most of the women watching this video are probably over 30, and this is the time where we begin to do things a certain way. We're making no apologies for who we are. And there is nothing different when it comes to hair perfumes. I'm going to be giving you 7 quick hacks on how to get the best out of your hair perfumes. So the first and the obvious hack for hair perfumes is to make sure that you spray it in your hair. Now, I know that for other commercial perfumes, you would always hear people saying, be careful how you spray it on your hair because you don't want it to be drying on your hair. Be careful about spraying it on your skin, spray it on your clothes. But this is not so for our hair perfumes because you are able to spray them on your hair and you can spray them on your skin. Only make sure that you are avoiding your face because your face is a sensitive part of your body and you don't want any burning sensation or reactions. So make sure you're spraying at least 10 centimeters away from your hair and you're spraying it on your skin. Now, tip number 2. Did you know that if you moisturize first before you put on perfumes, it's actually going to make your perfume last longer? Make sure that when you are spraying your hair perfumes, even though it's for your hair, you can use it on your skin, but make sure you moisturize first. So put your lovely body butter or your lotion or your cream or whatever it is you use to moisturize your body, and then spray your perfume on your body and watch how it just meshes and blends with your natural body scent. And this applies to your hair. So if you have maybe like a hair mist or a hair oil that you use, you can try Elixir Extraordinaire, but you can always make sure that your hair is moisturized, your skin is moisturized, and then feel free to put the luxurious abundance of your hair perfumes because it will make it last even longer. Tip number 3, make sure you put your hair perfumes at the warm pulse points on your skin. So the crook of your arms, the back of your elbows, the back of your knees, your neck, your cleavage, your armpit, wherever you want to spray your wrists. And that leads me to tip number 4, dab it in. Dab it in. I know that a lot of people say if you rub it in, it's going to destroy the molecules of the perfume, but I haven't found any research to back that up just yet. But what I will suggest, so let's err on the side of caution, let us dab our perfumes in if we decide to spray it on our skin. Now, a lot of people will tell you that when it comes to your perfumes, to make it last longer, you can take your favorite perfume and you can spray it onto your hairbrush and then use it to brush your hair. Now, you can do that with our hair perfumes, but I think if you're able to put them on your hair without it having any damage to your hair, then why not? So you can try this if you are worried about, putting too much in your hair. You can use your hairbrush, so just spray a bit, spray, and then use it to brush your hair. Now, tip number 5 is to make sure that we store our perfumes correctly. You have your lid on your perfume so that none of the amazing scents, especially the top notes, because they're the ones that evaporate quickly, you want to make sure that you have those top notes still in the perfume. You don't want them evaporating into the air and you never had a chance to put them on your skin. So make sure that you always have the lid firmly on the top of the perfume. You don't want sunlight, you don't want humidity. Make sure you store it in a cool, dark place, just the way you would store essential oils or some of your personal care products. Tip number 6, take your fragrance with you. I always like to have travel size perfumes, which is why in our discovery set, you will find out that we have travel size bottles for your perfumes and you're able to just throw that into your handbag. It's very lightweight and then you can spritz and spray whenever you want. But we've worked hard to make sure that our perfumes are long lasting, but still it's always good to make sure you take it with you so that you always carry a lovely luscious scent as you go about your day. Now, tip number 7. Do not overdo it. I know some of us will spray, and then you go to work, and rather than that lovely smell coming in, people are kind of avoiding you, or people like me who probably suffer from hay fever are sneezing, or no. We're meant to be elegant and stylish. We're not meant to repel people with our scent. So make sure that you do not overdo it. Now, when it comes to perfumes, there are different levels of concentration of the perfume. Our perfumes range from 20% to 30% for the different types of our hair perfumes. But you will find out that for a lighter scent, that would be an eau de parfum. When it comes to eau de parfum, this concentration is from 8 to 15% of the perfume itself, so it's not as strong as the perfume. Now, when it comes to eau de toilette, the concentration of the perfume is from 4% to 8%. Eau de cologne, I hope I'm not murdering the sounds of these things. Eau de cologne perfume concentration is from 3 to 5%. And eau fraîche, or a body mist, the perfume concentration in those type of products are from 1% to 3%. So if you know the concentration of the perfume, that should guide the extent at which you spray the perfume. So if you are using the MacPepple hair perfumes, then make sure that you are not spritzing like 10 million times. I would suggest not spritzing more than 3 to 5% of our hair perfume, because the concentration of our perfumes range from 20% to 30% and more, so it's quite concentrated. So a little goes a long way. Now, I have to include this bonus tip. I learned it from a lovely lady who is also here on YouTube. Her name is Sophie Shohair, and she talked about how she always sprays perfumes before she goes to bed. And she said her grandmother always did it, and she always smelled nice. And I was like, I've never heard that. And so I decided to start doing that. And anytime I'm going to bed, after I've brushed my teeth and washed off all the makeup, and then I would spritz the perfume in my hair and just a little on my skin. And I find out that when I'm lying down, I just feel like, I feel good. Honestly, I feel nice. I feel like, oh, this is nice. This is clean. You know, this is the end of the day and I'm still sleeping, you know, like in peace and calm and tranquility and all that jazz. But yes, try spraying perfume just before you go to bed. I think it's a fun thing that you can do. I think it's something that you might enjoy. So let me know if you ever put this tip to use. Now, I wouldn't be able to end this video without talking a little bit more about our hair perfumes. Now, I love our hair perfumes because it is made perfectly for that busy woman who wants like a quick way to get in and out of her day, especially for those days when you don't have the time to wash your hair and you still want to smell good and smell nice without it being damaging to your hair and your skin. Our perfumes will be amazing for that because they do not have any alcohols in them. They are made so that they are safe both for your hair and for your skin. They are non-greasy. They evaporate very quickly and they blend into your skin without having any negative effects. What could be better? That sounds amazing to me. I also like to add that they're great because they help you save money. The concentration of our perfumes are quite high, so you're able to save those coins. Save those coins, girl. That means that your perfumes will last even longer because you don't need so much of it. Our perfumes are made so that they can boost your confidence. So if you are a working woman and you want to go into the office and you want to smell great and you don't just want it to be on your skin and your clothes, you want your hair to be luscious and nice and give you that confidence for the day, our hair perfumes are amazing for that. So I hope you gained something new and some value from this video. There are so many ways that you can use a hair perfume, and wouldn't it be so much fun if you tried out our own hair perfumes and then let us know what you think about them. So that is the end of this video. I hope you had fun. If you did, smash that like button, share it with your friends, and if you're not part of this family, do consider subscribing because we would love to have you as part of our family. And until next time, take care of your gorgeous self, and I will see you in the next video. Take care. Some of us will spray.